Intriguing, isn't it? The idea of making money online from the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the world, really. It sounds like a dream, but it's a reality for many. So how does one tap into this digital goldmine? Well, get ready to discover a simple, step-by-step process to start making money online. Step 1. Identify your skills. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, social media management, teaching? The list is endless. If you can offer a service that people need and are willing to pay for, you're already on the right track. Step 2. Choose a platform. There are countless online marketplaces available where you can offer your services. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are great places to start. These platforms connect you with potential clients who are in need of your skills. Step 3 is all about marketing yourself. Create a compelling profile that showcases your skills, your experiences, and your professional background. Remember, you are selling a service, and your profile is your advertisement. Make it count. Step 4. Start bidding on projects. Look for jobs that match your skills and start bidding. Don't be discouraged if you don't land your first few bids. Persistence always pays off in the end. Step 5. Deliver quality work. Once you secure a job, it's important to deliver your best work. This not only ensures you get paid, but it also helps build a positive reputation. The better your reputation, the more work you'll get. Step 6. Rinse and repeat. Keep refining your skills, bidding on projects, and delivering quality work. The more experience you gain, the more money you can potentially make. So there you have it, a simple 6-step process to start making money online. To recap, Step 1, identify your skills. Step 2, choose a platform. Step 3, market yourself. Step 4, bid on projects. Step 5, deliver quality work. Step 6, rinse and repeat. Remember, starting is the hardest part, but once you get the ball rolling, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Tap into the digital goldmine today and start making money online.